Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to factory reset your HMD Pulse Pro phone. Whether your device is running slow, freezing, or you just want a fresh start, this guide will walk you through it step by step, safely and easily. First things first, prepare your device. Make sure it's powered off completely. To do this, simply hold the power button until the phone shuts down. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your apps and personal data, so back up anything important before moving forward. Next, let's enter recovery mode. Locate the power button and volume down button on your HMD Pulse Pro. Press and hold them together for a few seconds. You'll see the device boot into the Android recovery screen, which is where all the magic happens. Now that we're in the recovery menu, it's time to navigate through the options. Use the volume up and down buttons to scroll through the menu and the power button to confirm your selection. Look for the option that says wipe data / factory reset or something very similar. Highlight it and press power to select. Once selected, the phone will ask you to confirm the reset. Go ahead and confirm. This will erase all apps, settings, and personal data, essentially giving your device a fresh start. Once the process is complete, select Reboot System Now. Your HMD Pulse Pro will restart as if it's brand new. And that's it. Your HMD Pulse Pro is now factory reset and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.